What's up, guys? Today, I'm roasting someone that actually deserves to be roasted. So here, listen here, buddy. So I was doom scrolling, of course, but I saw this one video that looked like shit. Yep, you can see it. Guys, this is a real human being. You can't make fun of boys. They're still human, you stupid dumbass. Don't check your rusty, expired, refire, green crack, snack pack, knick-knack, go back, water sack, turtleneck, pencil, lead, spread, bread, all head broke, bed loose, bed looking at chore, dome, student loan, snake, milkshake, pop looking, side walking, talking, flip flopping, stopping, Xbox dropping, built like a drift, job man, queen looking ass up.